I'm going to show you my little dumbbell rack I made here because now I can pull these out. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. It's heavy, but I got it on the wheels there, and I'll pull it out and show you. I made it specially for that space. So anyway, here's my design. I'll kind of walk you through it. The only thing is the garage floor is sloped a little bit, so it is going to want to roll. But here it is, okay? So I got the 65 pound down there, the 45 there, the 35 there. And you can't see the wheels because they're underneath it, but I just did this out of the framing lumber and kind of sanded it a little bit. And it's super sturdy. It may not be the prettiest thing ever, but it's functional. That's what I wanted. And the reason I put the wheels down here like underneath it is because I don't want it to tip over. And so each time I built a different level, I just stepped it in 1 inch. And that's kind of the point right there. It's not very fancy construction. I just sunk the top in there flush with the frame. You see that? And then these other pieces are just, it has the, see the one divider there? So it has the one divider there. And then it has the one divider there. And then the board's on top of it. So all this is it's like an I shape, right? That. Then underneath the one you can't see, that one. And then that one. So it's just an I shape, and then I put the boards on top of it. And that's real all there is to it. I like it. I can kind of push it around. It's easier with 2 hands, but I can do it with 1 hand. It's supposed to go under here. It's got all the weight on it, so it's kind of heavy to maneuver it, but it's better than before. I didn't have anywhere to put these. I got a place for them to put these. It slides back there, and that can stay there. So there's my little stool. I made this years ago too. I like this little stool. I've had this stool for many years, like 15 years or whatever. And it's kind of like a what do you call it? A pyramid type shape, right? So it doesn't want to tip over on you. And then it's this height, so I can, what this is really great for is if you're doing electrical work and you can go around and you don't even have to get up and just do the little outlets, or low painting, kind of caulking around the baseboard. So I've used this one. I've used this little thing forever. That's kind of where I got the idea for the other one. And that cutout right there, that way you can get your hand down in your little tool tray. So this one, I didn't do see how I did the wheels there? I just bolted them on, right? I didn't have to worry about putting them up in the top. And it's just made out of 4x4s. I just cut the angles on. And then this right here is just the foam insulation. Then I put the Gorilla duct tape on it. And then it also, over the years, it just naturally contoured to whatever my bones are right there. And so it's super comfortable. I use that all the time. So just little things here and there, just trying to save money and tinkering around in the garage with the tools and stuff. So hope you like the little design idea there. I just didn't have, I didn't want to buy a metal one or whatever, and that's fine. So there it is.